Good morning, student. Fourier series, lecture 3. In this class, we are going to learn half range series, half range expression of a given series. First one is half range cosine series. Half range cosine series. Half range cosine series. The Fourier cosine series for f of x in the interval 0 to pi is given by f of x equal to n naught by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity a n cos nx. Here where a naught equal to 2 pi integral 0 to pi f of x dx. Here a naught. Okay. So it is half range. Here the range is 0 to pi. Instead of 0 to 2 pi and minus pi to pi, here the range will be 0 to pi. So it is half range. Full range is the period is 2 pi. For the full range, the period 2 pi. Here half range, the interval in the form 0 to pi. So for the given function f of x, we can find the Fourier cosine series and sine series in the interval 0 to pi. Half range cosine series of x in the interval 0 to pi is given by this one. Okay. The only change is formula. Half range the interval and the formula. There is no other change. And another example here for C constant. The problem is given f of x equal to C in 0 to pi, and we have to show this C equal to, that is f of x equal to, here if C is constant in this, the problem is if C is constant in this, then show that this one, that is here C is constant in this one. So given function f of x equal to x in 0 to pi, given function f of x equal to x in 0 to pi, and from this we have to deduce that C is equal to this one. Okay. Now here consider the series, not the series, that the series has only sine term. So it is here range is 0 to pi. Here all are in sine term. So it is half range sine series. So it is understood that we have to find the half range sine series. We have to find the half range sine series. Half range cosine series. To okay, sine series formula here, it is half range sine series. Second one, half range sine series. Half range sine series f of x is equal to summation n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin nx, where bn equal to 2 pi pi integral 0 to pi f of x sin nx dx. It is a formula to find bn. Sin, it is half range cosine series. This is half range cosine series. It is half range sine series. Okay. Now, now the series is in terms of sine, so we have to find the half-range sine series. Half-range sine series formula is this one, where Bn is the formula here. So f of x is given as c, not x. Correction. F of x is given as c, not x. F of x is c. So c, integrate this as usual manner. The integral of c into sine nx dx, it is minus cos integral of cos. When substituting pi, we get minus 1 power n by n, plus when substituting 0, it is 0 minus or minus plus 1 by n. Now taking LCM as n, we get it is equal to c by pi n into minus of minus 1 power n plus 1. It is a result. Now it is also written as it is 2c by n pi when n is even. When n is even, it becomes plus 1. So minus of plus 1 becomes 0 if n is even. If n is odd, when n is odd, minus 1 prime is minus 1, there is another minus here. Minus of minus 1 is plus 1. Plus 1 plus 1, 2. So it is 2c by n pi into 2. That is equal to 0 if n even, 4c by n pi if n odd. Okay. It is Bn value. So f of x equal to, therefore f of x equal to summation n equal to 1 to infinity Bn sin nx. It is half-range sine series. Now for n even, the value is 0. So Bn has the value, non-zero value, only when n is odd. So when n equal to 1, 3, 5, dot dot dot. For even, it is 0. So for odd, the value, for odd n, the value is, Bn value is 4c by n pi into sin nx. For n equal to even, these values are 0. So that is why I am writing here when n equal to odd, that is n equal to 1, 3, 5, dot dot dot, Bn value is this one, and sin of nx. When substituting n equal to 1, 4c here, 4c by pi is constant. Substitute n equal to 1, we get 1x sin x. Here 4c by pi is taken out commonly. 4c by pi. When n equal to 3, we get sin 3x by 3. When n equal to 5, we get sin 5x by 5 plus dot dot dot. So it is f of x. But f of x is x. So x equal. So half range sine series of x is this one. Hence the proof. Next problem. Find the Fourier sine series, half range sine and cosine series. Fourier sine and cosine series of the function x equal to f of x equal to x in the interval 0 to pi. First of all, I am going to find sine series. Sine series of x is f of x equal summation n equal to 1 to infinity Bn sin nx. It is sine series of given function. Where to find Bn, the formula is 2 pi pi integral 0 to infinity, integral 0 to pi f of x dx, f of x sin n x dx. Here 2 pi by substitute the value f of x, that is equal to x. As usual manner, use integration by parts. It is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi x into sin nx dx. Take this as u and this as dv. This applies v equal to minus cos nx by n. So 2 pi pi u v altered minus plus minus, differentiation of this thing is 1, integral of this thing is minus of sin nx by n square. Okay, after that plus differentiation of 1 is 0, so integral over, the limit is 0 to pi. It is equal to 2 pi pi it is equal to 2 pi pi. When substitute pi, we get pi. This is minus pi. Cos of n pi is minus 1 power n by n minus minus plus. Sin pi is 0. Sin n pi is 0. It is a value for upper limit. Minus value for lower limit. When substituting 0, it is 0. When substituting this 0, it whole thing becomes 0. Minus minus plus. This minus and this 0 plus. Now substitute this 0 sin nx here. Sin 0 is 0. When substituting pi, we get this one. When substitute 0, we get this one. So the total answer is pi cancel, 2 pi n minus 1 power n plus 1. 2 by n